Mawanda Maranga. I am a member of Patriotic League of Uganda and specifically Director of Mobilization. I take the honor of welcoming my colleague, my friend, the legitimate president of UPC, Honorable Adim, Dennis, whom we have been instructed to work with closely to ensure that there is sanity and peace in UPC. My being here is to confirm and reaffirm our commitment that we are ready to work with UPC, much as we are not a political party, but we are a civic organization that is law-abiding and which is out to ensure that there is sanity in whatever we are doing. So we will work with them closely to ensure that there is clean and good leadership in UPC and to ensure that the party constitution of UPC is followed to the dot. My colleague, Honorable David Kavanda, did express our displeasure with the former president of UPC, and he emphasized that as Patriotic League of Uganda, we are going to work very closely with UPC to ensure that the legitimate leader of UPC, Dennis Adim, takes charge of their party. And that's what we are working on, and we shall ensure that Dennis Adima takes over the leadership of UPC peacefully. We shall follow the law. We shall not leave any stone unturned, but we will ensure that peace is restored in the party of UPC. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I just have one.